welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is another video for my Raw Beauty Kristi Cross Pure palette series. So today is a very neutral, quick, everyday look you could do. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So first up, I'm just doing my brows. So I'm just using my e.l.f. brow pencil in the colour taupe, and then just my e.l.f. brow and lash gel just to set it all in place. And then I just clean up my brows using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Next up, I jump into my P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I'm just using the shade 0.5 here. And then I jump into the palette, and I'm starting off on the neutral side and jumping into a Moo point, and I'm just placing this in my crease and blending it out nicely. Going into You're Not My Real Dad, and I'm just placing that on the outer corners of my lids and blending it into the crease. For the lid colour, I go into Camelot, and I just use the tapping motion just to get as much pigment as possible. And to ensure there's no harsh lines, I jump into Told You, and I just use that in the crease and blend it all in nicely. For a bit of shimmer, I jump in with Golden Ticket, and I use a brush at the start, but I find using my finger is much better payoff. And I just place that in the center of my lids and blend it into You're Not My Real Dad and Camelot. For face, I jump in with my favourites, my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I place that everywhere. My L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Mattifying Foundation in 110 Rose Vanilla, and with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in 12B Fair Beige. And to set all of that in place, I go in with my Nakia Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. And add some colour back to my face with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and my Flower Beauty blush in Warm Hibiscus. Lower lash line, I go back into Camelot, and for inner corner highlight, I use Golden Ticket. Also pop a little bit on my brow bones. And the rest of my highlighter for my face, I just go into my Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette, and I just use the gold shade in that. For lips, I use my Fenty Glow by Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And for lashes, I use my L'Oreal Paradise Lash Primer, and then I use my Flower Beauty Warrior Princess Mascara in Royal Black. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. This is the finished look. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family. Press that subscribe button and don't forget to change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!